All right, can we have a vote for what is our favorite Italian necklace? I don't know. I think this would be right up there. This is a beautiful design that we actually introduced to you originally in our remote from Arezzo, Italy. And this necklace flew out the door. We did not have nearly enough, and I'm so glad we're able to bring it back for you. So this is going to be your choice of rose, white, or yellow. I love the graduated Rolo. So what you're going to have in your choice of colors is at the toggle, it's going to start around in the ground, get smaller and smaller, down to the toggle, and then large down to the smallest at the end of the drop. So these have to be made by hand. They use 6 different sizes of links. They're beautifully done. They just flow beautifully. It's the perfect length, you know? It just kind of hits your throat at the perfect place, and it's not too long, and it's not too short. This is that high-end, sophisticated couture, 18 karat gold Italian look without the price tag. I love that this is a necklace that is going to be so gorgeous on you. I guarantee you're going to get compliments. And it's also going to be something that you're going to love 10 years from now, and 20 years from now, and 30 years from now. Really great style is always in style. And that is exactly what this necklace is.